I was asked to remove half of this floor and try and save some of the pieces. You all think I'll be able to reuse some of them? Let me know in the comments and follow along to find out if I'm able to save the pieces to reuse them again. So the first thing I gotta do is I gotta remove this base, this cove base, to be able to get to the floor area and start removing it. So that'll be the first thing I do. Luckily, it is coming up very easily. Once you start it, you just pull and it comes right up. Alright, I'll continue removing all this off. Alright, so step one done. I got all the cove base off, the area that will be getting the floor removed on. So now I'm going to try and see if I can salvage the planks. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm just going to grab here, lift up, and get some separation there. So I found the trick was to hold this piece down while you're pushing the other one to kind of keep it locked, and it slides much easier.
We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling, no we ain't slowing it down, we keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling, yeah, no we ain't slowing it down. Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby, come and show me how. Gotta do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things, they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium, pull up with a team and I ain't worried about the others.
So yes, I believe you are able to reuse vinyl flooring if you take your time, don't rush, and slide the pieces instead of breaking them up or beveling them up. So let me know in the comments if you've been successful removing and reusing vinyl plank flooring. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.